At Embention Firmware department, we focus on the creation and improvement of embedded software architecture which are based on bare metal programmation. It means that we do not use any operating system nor third-party library, and we do all the work from ourselves.
We generate an abstraction layer on top of the hardware by developing drivers, providing the G&C department with necessary tools to integrate navigation algorithms.
The main objective for the firmware team is to develop the architectures to facilitate the communications among devices in Veronte.
Personally, I'm focused on the GPS modules and communication protocols integration, working in close cooperation with the product department to meet the defined requirements.
As firmware engineers, we develop and improve embedded software components for our product range. We take care of software maintenance and constant update for all our products.
My contribution mainly focuses on providing support to detect and avoid peripheral, allowing our customers to integrate those devices within their systems.
As a firmware and FPGA engineers, we analyze and meet the requirements on developments of computer vision, designing and implementing software and hardware on a heterogeneous platform.